Once you have created your first AI voice agent and have your first integration in place, it's time to verify your phone number. This will let you trigger your AI calls with your desired phone number. And to do that, what you have to do is to come here in the left menu and click in voice agents. Then click in phone numbers. After that, you will have here all the visibility of the current and available phone numbers that you can use to trigger your calls. If you want to create a new one, just click here in the new button. After that, you can assign an internal name. So, for example, you can use phone number one. Make sure to select the proper phone code and the complete phone number. After this step, you will receive in your phone a call so you can verify it with the text that is going to display in the next step. So, click in verify number, grab your phone, and type directly the code that you have received. Once you receive the confirmation, you can finish the call. And then, as you can see here, you will receive a confirmation. After that, feel free to use it in your flows or in your test calls so you can trigger it with that active phone. See you in the next tutorials.